Hi everyone. Before I start this video, it did not surprise me one bit how this video turned out. Not even a little bit. The cell phone repair market is changing. What are you gonna do about it? Watch the video and you'll see what I mean. San Antonio, I'm calling you out. Who can do glass only repair on Samsung 8 phones? I've done this video before with New York. San Antonio has 1.469 million population, probably in the city. It's actually bigger than San Diego, where I'm from. So let's see. And also, if you live in San Antonio, whether you have a shop or you don't and you're thinking about starting a cell phone repair business, watch my channel and learn. Okay, so here we go. So how this is gonna work is, and I encourage you to do this whatever city you live in. Go to the Yelp app. I typed in cell phone repair, San Antonio, Texas, hit the search, boom, top shops pull up, right? And let's start calling. And we'll see who can do glass only repair. Because if you can do it on the S8, that means you can do it on the other phones. But if not, we'll find out. So here we go. Number one.
Thank you for calling YouBreak iFix. My name is Chris. What can I fix for you today?
I had a question. Do you guys fix the Galaxy S8 screen?
Yes, sir, we do. Let me get you a quote on that. So the S8. Alright. And it's just the front screen?
Yes.
Alright, looks like on the S8s, they are $219.99 right now.
Okay.
And the repair usually takes 2 hours. We do have a 90-day warranty on our parts. So if you do have any problems with it within that time period, we're more than happy to take a look at it.
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. You have a good day, sir.
All right, bye. And that was YouBreak iFix. Okay, so what was it? $219. Okay, so they charged $219. What I charge here is $175. And this number you can change because guess what? When you know how to do glass only repair, it's pretty much all profit. Currently for the S8, the part here, it costs like 16 bucks for the glass. So if you're charging $175 minus $16, there's your profit, right? I know that they're not doing glass only repair. Okay, batter up. Next, number 2. Okay, here we go. We'll call this place number 2.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to reach.
Manual with Z-Fix-It.
What the fuck?
Hi, you reached Manual with Z-Fix-It. I'm sorry I missed your call, but please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll get back to you.
That sounds like I'm calling somebody's house. "267 Future Drive." Is that's somebody's house, right? Oh, close today. How do you close on Friday, dude? Look, it's Friday at 3:45. The hell? Okay, so I'm not gonna call them back. Look at their hours. Monday? Is this real? I don't know. They have to be on vacation or something. What I think this is what it is. Saturday at 1 to 7. It's probably a guy that goes to school or college and he just fixes phones on the weekend. That's what I think. That's okay. So skip that. And if you're doing it at home, I know for sure you're not doing glass only repair because I just know. Okay, hold on. So Z fix it. Okay, so I'm putting a question mark there. All right, off to the next. Okay, so next one is Evolution cell phone repair. One review? What the hell? There's like nobody fix? How you get one review? Let's just call him. Here we go.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
Does nobody fix phones in San Antonio? I mean, the population is bigger than San Diego. Like, what? Gold mine opportunity. If you're in San Diego, if you're in San Antonio, start a cell phone repair business because nobody fixes it in there, right? I'm gonna call him again, see if the same thing happens.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been...
Okay, so you saw how it rang like 2 times going on, and then they click me to voicemail. So something's up. They are probably, who knows? Let me see their hours. 10 to 9 p.m. What the hell? Like the phone's not even going, like ringing all the rings, if you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, so what is this? Evolution cell phone repair, 1 review. Okay, so that's boom, 2 question marks in a row. Okay, so scroll on down to number 4, Minuteman cell phone repair. Where is their number? Here we go.
iPhone repair. If you leave your name, number, and a brief message, we will return your call as soon as possible. Thanks.
You guys heard the machine. This is iPhone repair. They don't even fix Samsungs. So I am going to put question mark. iPhone repair will call you back shortly. What the hell? All right, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, Cells Emporium. Give them a call. See what they say. Cells. What the fuck was that? A fax machine? Are you serious? Emporium. That's gotta be... Something's going on, dude. I don't know. Are they... Cells Emporium. Call their number.
Does Form help you?
Hi, I had a question. Do you guys fix the screen on the Galaxy S8?
We only work on iPhone.
You only work on iPhones. Okay, all right, thank you. Bye. Only work on iPhones. Like Samsungs don't exist? Like zero. Don't even work on Samsung phones. Sales Emporium, give me a call so you can freaking make freaking bank, dude. Right? Watch my channel. So here we go. We already called 5 shops already, right? Sales Emporium. That phone repair shop. Oh yeah, okay. Let's give them a call. Let's give that phone repair shop a call. That phone repair shop.
That phone repair shop, this is Chris. Can I help you?
Hi, do you guys fix the screen on the Galaxy S8?
We do, yes.
How much do you guys charge?
The price on that is $229.99. Does come with a 6-month warranty.
Okay.
And we do have the part here in stock. It takes us about an hour and a half to do the repair.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yep,
All right. Bye. $229. They do not do glass only repair. $229. What they're doing is fixing the full screen, right? And so that is what, 6 of them. I want to call 10 shops, right? So here we go. Cellular zone sales. So I'll put cell zone sales and repair. Boom. Open till 8. Here we go. Call. Bam. All right.
Cellular Zone, how can I help you?
Hi, I had a question. Do you guys fix the Galaxy S8?
Yes, we do. What's going on with it?
The screen is broken.
Okay, yeah, I could definitely get that fixed for you. I actually have the part in stock. Only takes maybe about an hour to an hour and a half for that repair, and the cost for that is going to be $249.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
No problem.
All right.
You wanted to get done today?
No, I'm just kind of calling around.
Calling around? Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
all
let
right.
us know if you get a lower price because we do offer price matching.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
$250. They don't do glass only repair. On to the next. Shoot. Here we go. That was Cellular Zone Sales and Repair. Okay, here we go. Quick Fix CPR. Let's give them a call.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.
What the hell? Okay, so I already know what's going on. I'm gonna call him right back. Here we go. Like, does nobody do... Look, this guy has 1 review and he's in the top 10. Top 10. He's got 1 review. Shit. Here we go.
Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
So, quick fix CPR. Quick fix CPR. I'm gonna put 0 question mark. Phone off the hook. Doesn't answer, right? Okay, so what do we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not one person does glass only repair. Okay. Maybe this is the right one. Right Wireless. And it's a shop because, look, you got the picture. Let's see what these guys are doing. Hopefully somebody can do glass only repair on the S8.
Hey, this is David of Bright Wireless.
I'm currently unable to take your call. Please leave your name, phone number, and a brief message, and I will contact you as soon as possible.
The phone didn't even ring. It went straight to voicemail. So we'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Do you work at this business? This isn't even run by them. If you have this, do you work at this business? Claim this business now. That means they didn't even create this Yelp account. I'm gonna call them again. Actually, this place I don't even think is in. Look how old this is. This is 3 years ago. Their latest review seems to be this one. 1 star, and that's a year ago. It's in August right now. This is last year in July. So call them again, see what it is.
David of Bright Wireless.
All right, so screw it. They're not available. They don't even fix phones. They are not the right ones to call. Right Wireless. Freaking can't even spell that, dude. Right Wireless. 0. Wireless Depot. Another 1-star review. Like, not even, like, just even 1 review. And this place, I don't even think they're in business. They have 1 review which was left 3 years ago. So that means they are not in business, I bet you.
Thank you for calling Wireless Depot. We are wholesaler and distributor of cell phone accessories. Press 1 for sale, press 2 for internet sale, press 3 for shipping, press 4.
They're not even a cell repair shop. What they do is they sell cases and things like that. And I can tell you right now where to get cases. They are the middleman. You can get your cases directly from the source, not need to go through a middleman. You watch this channel, DM me on freaking like Instagram. Here is my Instagram. RICHIEMEZA. That is my Instagram. I'll tell you where to get this stuff. Okay? So that is what? Now, is that 10 people? Wireless Depot. Okay, so what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Screw it. I'm going to do 2 more bonus calls. I wanted to call 10 people. Still, okay, you break, I fix is up here. And that's a chain, right? Pulse. I'm going to call Pulse in downtown. Let's see what they call. Let's see what they do. This is probably going to be the last one.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
What the hell? I'm trying to call Pulse. Let's see how old. 2 months ago, 5 months ago, 5 months ago, 10 months ago. Like, what the hell? Does nobody like repair phones in San Antonio? The population is bigger than San Diego. One more time. I might have to do some major editing on this video. Someone's customer's coming in.
Please.
Okay, so boom, look, check this out. Got this phone in. This girl Suzette brought in her phone. It's getting fixed in 20 minutes. She's like, oh hell yeah, 20 minutes? Can't use her phone. You guys know, everybody knows, cell phones are like, to certain people, it's like they're everything. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna stop it right here. Okay, so boom, just fixed this girl's phone. Very attractive girl. Anyways, check it out. It's all done, works perfectly fine. All she has to do to get rid of that is connect it to iTunes, because she had a passcode on her phone and it was just dialing her passcode a bunch of times and then it locked it, right? So I told her, either just walk to the app, not walk, but just drive to the Apple store like 3 blocks away, or just go home and connect it to iTunes, and then it'll get off the screen. So anyways, in that 15 minutes, this is how much money I made. Because she told me she's next door at the hair place, and she says she'll come back at 4:30, which it's 4:30 right now. Okay, so I'm charging, it was $80. The part cost $17. There's a $63 profit. Turn this down. I'm watching YouTube, DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. Okay, so I made $63 in pure profit in 15 minutes. So this is how much money I used to make before this. Working at my job in the back of a guitar shop, I used to make $60 for the entire day. The entire freaking day. I just made my entire day's paycheck in okay, so she just picked up her phone right now. She was walking in and I had to stop like the whole camera recording. Yeah, get back to this. $63 in 15 minutes. It completely beats the BS what I was doing before. This was my day. This was my regular work day when I was working in the back of the guitar shop. I would wake up at 5 a.m., get ready, out the door at 5:30 to be at work at 6. Work started at 6 and it ended at 2:15. Leave at 2:15, you start getting a little bit of traffic. You don't get home till 3. Boom. All that just to make $60 for the entire day. That's what $10.50 an hour gets you. Because whatever amount per hour you make, that's not what. You get taxed as a regular employee, you get taxed about 20% before you even get your damn check, right? So if I was making $10.50 an hour, you're not really making $10.50 an hour. You're making like a little over $8 an hour, right? So boom, from the whole 5:30, and who the hell wants to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, right? Anyways, all right, so I think that's gonna conclude my my video. Absolutely nobody fixes the Galaxy 8 glass only repair. These businesses right here, these are full LCD and glass repair. Remember, I charge $175, and this entire thing is majority, it's all profit. It's almost, the part costs $17, $175 I charge. Do the math. You guys can do that too. Follow this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.